started with the video. So to make our fruity sprout salad, we'll need 1 bowl of sprouts, some chopped cucumbers, tomatoes, oranges and apples. We then need some black salt, and chaat masala, some lemon juice, and lastly we need some coriander. In a large mixing bowl, we are going to add in all the ingredients one by one. So first let's begin with the sprouts. And now we are going to add in the apples, some oranges, tomatoes and some cucumbers. Now it's time to add the seasonings. So now we're going to add the black salt, and chaat masala. And then we're going to add in the lemon juice. This is around 2 tablespoons. And now we are going to mix in all the ingredients together. Mix it very well. And now we're going to add in the coriander. And mix it very well. And a yummy sprout salad is ready. And now we're going to serve it into the bowl. It's ready. You can also add in other fruits and vegetables of your choice like onions, boiled potatoes and pomegranates. That's it for today's video guys. Hope you liked it. If yes, make sure to give this video a like, share this video with your friends and family so that they too can try out such an amazing yummy recipe at home. Make sure to subscribe to my channel along with clicking on the bell icon so that you never miss any updates from Kavya's Corner. Meet you in my next video. Until then, take care and bye bye.